Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Larry Fobbs on the job. Still out here in Niagara Falls. It's because there's a lot of customers out here. And also we're continuing our series. We are the elite income builders. We help individuals all over the world because we have members all over the world, helping them with their finances. So we've been getting a lot of feedback. A lot of you said, okay, you want to have something where you don't have to talk to anyone, you don't have to sell anything, you don't have to talk to friends and family, you don't have to do any of that, but you would like to earn a substantial income. So what I want you to do, watch the following video, is because they're going to describe this business that you can get involved in. You don't have to do any of that. So watch the following video. If you're interested, sign up. Until then, continue to watch my series, is because we are the elite income builders. We help individuals all over the world. Okay, until my next video, have a blessed day.
My name is Mike Taylor. I'm one of the leaders and mentors here at G.O.B.E. Trade House. And I would like to start this video off by saying that if you was referred to this video by somebody other than myself, make sure you reach out to that person so they can get credit for helping you join. Also, I would like to give an income disclaimer. Any results that I talk about in this video are based on past results. I cannot guarantee any future results. And also, please like this video and share it with somebody that might need this information. Now that I've introduced myself, I would like to introduce our company, G.O.B.E. Trade House. G.O.B.E. is an acronym for Generation of Bosses Empire. We are a financial fraternity and sorority, and we practice group economics utilizing Forex education and also Forex trade signals sent out by professionals. Now, if you don't know what Forex is, I want you to pay attention to the video that I'm about to play, and it's going to explain to you in less than 3 minutes exactly what Forex is, and then I'll be back to tell you about our products and services.
If you've ever traveled to a foreign country, you may have needed to exchange your money. If so, you have already participated in Forex trading. Forex is the short form of foreign exchange. Well, Forex is a bit more than that. For example, companies buy goods from other countries, In order to buy them, they need to obtain the local currency first, just like us when going on holiday. The difference is they will exchange huge amounts. When these companies exchange these huge amounts, they will actually move the price because the demand for the currency that they need increases. When the demand increases, the price increases. With all this exchanging going on around the world, the exchange rates constantly move. This is how it works. When currencies are exchanged, they have a certain price, the exchange rate. As in any market, the price of a currency is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are many people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. Let's use an everyday example to explain how you can actually profit from this. Say you live in Europe and went on holiday to the United States. Let's say that you changed your 500 euros into US dollars at the rate of $1.4 for every euro. You got 700 US dollars, but you do not spend any money at all. So you still have $700 after you come back. After the exchange rate moved from 1.4 to 1.3, instead of getting just 500 euros back, you actually get 538.5 euros. You have gained 38.5 euros simply from holding your money in dollars while the exchange rate changed. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market. We buy a certain amount of a currency, hold on to it whilst the exchange rate moves, then change it back, making money along the way. How to decide when the right time to buy and sell is exactly what we teach you throughout the rest of our learning lessons. As you can imagine, traveling a lot and saving a bit of money on your holiday budget and then exchanging it, it's not really a practical approach to trading currencies. Fortunately, there is an easier way to do this. You can trade currency through online exchange offices called brokers. What this means is that you can exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Just as in the example of when you went on holiday, you can buy different currencies and make a profit as the exchange rates change. This is trading the Forex market. Trading Forex online with a broker has many benefits. You can trade Forex from your home or anywhere that you have an internet connection. The Forex market never sleeps. It is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and so can suit your daily routine. You do not need a huge budget to get started. As little as $150 is enough to begin trading and building your account over time. Of course, it will require some learning until you get there, but this is exactly what Tradimo is here for. To help you learn how to trade in a way that can suit your individual lifestyle, and to help you navigate your way through the Forex market.
Welcome back. So now you should have a basic understanding of how Forex works. If you don't, no worries. Once you join, we will teach you everything you need to know so you can be successful in the market. With that being said, I would actually like to talk about our products and services and what do you get for $99. Yes, it costs $99 every 28 days to be a subscriber into our business. But when you see the products that we offer, you're going to see that you can make a lot of money without having to refer a soul. I want to emphasize on that. Yes, we do have a referral-based compensation plan, which I will discuss towards the end of the video, but you don't have to refer people to make a lot of money here at G.O.B.E. Trade House. So our first product that you get for $99 is called the G.O.B.E. Sniper Analyzer. This is an indicator that's based around our strategies, and we literally tell you when to buy and sell in the market. Even if you're a beginner, you just hook it up to your charts, and you look at it, and it's literally going to show you when to buy and sell in the market, and you can make money 24/7 because this particular indicator trades currencies, it trades crypto, it trades stocks, you name it, you can make money with this analyzer. Also, and I'm very proud of this particular product because it's one of our most amazing products. It's called the G.O.B.E. bot. This is a 90% accurate trade signal service that you will get access to where you will literally get trade alerts sent directly to your phone and you will be able to make money. To further explain how the G.O.B.E. bot works, I'm going to hand it over to another one of the leaders and mentors here in G.O.B.E. Trade House. Carlos Pun, take it over, brother.
Stop what you're doing. pay attention and let me ask you a question. Have you ever struggled with bad trading signals? I'm sure you've gotten promised that all these other companies have the best of the best, but that is now a problem of the past. Meet the G.O.B.E. bot. The G.O.B.E. bot is here to go ahead and give you accurate trade signals. So whether you're hanging around with friends at a job or you're in your break, you're going to receive 90% accurate trade alerts. And these trade alerts are tapping into the largest financial market in the world, which is no other than Forex. Forex generates $7 trillion a day. So how does it work? Very simple. First, you're going to go ahead and get started with a G.O.B.E. member. After you get started with the G.O.B.E. member, you're going to register for the G.O.B.E. bot on G.O.B.E.Tradehouse.com. And then you're going to start receiving G.O.B.E. alerts. Now, the problems of the past are problems from the past. All you need to do is get involved with G.O.B.E.Tradehouse. We are a financial fraternity that practices group economics by utilizing Forex education and trade signals. We'll see you on the other side.
Thanks a lot, Carlos. Now, I know you should be very, very excited about this G.O.B.E. bot, but I want to just give you an example of how this works and how easy it really is to make money with this particular service. So, about a month or so ago, that's when I made this particular ad. This is an actual real trade, y'all. And I was actually sent out a trade signal from the G.O.B.E. bot. You see it right here on the left. And it told me to do a sell trade, a sell now, on the Australian dollar versus the United States dollar. So the only thing I needed was where it says SL, stop loss number, and where it says TP, take profit number. Stop loss means if the trade goes bad, it will stop you from losing too much money. And take profit is when the market hits that price, is going to take you out the market with a profit. With that being said, once I wrote down this information, a lot of people like to copy and paste. I like to write stuff down. If you look at the second picture, you see on the right-hand side, I typed in the take profit number. On the left-hand side, I typed in the stop loss number, and I simply hit sell in the bottom left corner, and I literally went to bed that night. When I woke up that morning and I opened up my app, if you look at the timestamp, it says 9:15 a.m. When I woke up, I saw that I was $143 in the market, so I cashed out. I literally made $143 in my sleep using this service. So when you look at the $99 subscription, don't think about how much money am I spending per month. Think about how much money you're losing per month by not subscribing. Because I made this literally in my sleep, y'all. Now, and I've had plenty of mornings where I copied and pasted a trade from the G.O.B.E. bot, and I wake up $300, $400, $500 in profit. This was just an example. So basically what I'm saying is if you can copy and paste, you can literally make money every day with our team. Now, if you don't have time to, say, be around for the trade signals when they come out, maybe you be at work and you miss a trade signal, right? Well, we have something that is even more amazing, and this is a game changer for 2021. It's called a G.O.B.E. Auto Bot. Read it, y'all. This G.O.B.E. bot is literally based around our strategies, and it trades for you 24 hours a day, 5 days a week on autopilot. It opens and closes trades on autopilot. You literally hook this up. We'll show you how to set it up. And once you set it up, you can forget it. Because what it's going to do is literally going to read the charts for you. You can literally watch 20 or 30 pairs, something that a human can't do, right? But this automated service can actually read the charts. And when it sees a perfect buy or a perfect sell signal to make money, it will automatically get in the market for you and literally make money on autopilot. We literally just released this auto bot January the 1st, and I'm already seeing teammates of mine get results. I just saw a gentleman had the bot hooked up for 48 hours, and because of what he was trading, he literally made $701 in about 48 hours using this bot. And all he did was just set it and forget it. If you don't believe me, get on the inside, get with our teammates. They're going to show you that this is the real deal. Now, also, and this is the game changer for me personally and pretty much everybody on our team, it's called the Run the Bag Challenge. We literally show you how to compound $100 to $9,500 within 30 trades. To get more details on this, I'm actually going to pass it over to another one of the leaders and mentors here at G.O.B.E. Trade House, Kenny Jordan. Take it over,
Greetings,
brother.
this is Kenny J with G.O.B.E. Trade House, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how we are going to compound $100 to $9,500 closing out 2020. All right. Inside of G.O.B.E. Trade House, we practice group economics. We are a group of investors and entrepreneurs. We invest in the Forex industry, which is currency. We invest in cryptocurrency with Bitcoin, Ripple, all of that good stuff. Metals like gold, silver, platinum, oil, right? Commodities, all of this stuff that we do, even stocks, okay? But mainly we focus on Forex. That's what we mainly focus on. And we sell financial packages, financial educational packages, okay? Whenever you join our program, you actually have access to learn how to do this. But what we're going to show you guys is how to compound $100 to $9,500 closing out the end of 2020. And you could do this with us by getting inside of our private group, which I'll show you guys here in a second. So first and foremost, guys, what you see in front of you, what we see in front of you guys is a compounding spreadsheet. So whenever you become a member of G.O.B.E. Trade House, you have access to this compounding spreadsheet. Okay, you see up here your beginning account balance, $100. Okay, so if you look down here, so this would be an example of the first trade coming in. So the first trade you would take, trade one. All right, and if you're not familiar with the Forex industry, your lot size, that simply means your trade amounts. All right, now your trade amount here would be, for example, 8 cents in the Forex market is 80 cents that you're trading with out of your Forex account. All right. Pips, that just means that we're making money on each point earned in the market. So 10 pips. So this is an example here of getting 80 cents times 10 pips that we've earned in the market from calling out a good trade, right? Which will equal $8. Okay. So you would have made $100. You would have turned it to $108 on trade one. And this process continues. Trade two, you would up your trade amount, and you will continue to compound a little over time. Now, as we scroll down, guys, you can see how it starts getting interesting. All right. Trade 20 or trade 17. Look, guys, now you've changed your $100 into $955 if you stay disciplined to this process. By trade 25, now you're at $3,912. Okay. Trade 30, you would have completed this $9,643 on 30 trades. That's it, 30 trades. Now you're probably asking, all right, this sounds good, but I don't know how to trade Forex. Well, that's a special thing about being inside of G.O.B.E. Trade House, because being inside of G.O.B.E. Trade House and Tradera, because what we do, guys, we have multiple different services and resources and tools that's going to help you take trades from professionals. Okay. For example, guys, inside of G.O.B.E. Trade House, let me go to my next page here. Inside of G.O.B.E. Trade House, guys, we have something called the G.O.B.E. bot. All right. So the G.O.B.E. bot, guys, it's a smart AI software that scans the markets, scans the history of the markets, and it comes up with the best conclusion. It says, you know what? It's very accurate. And it says, you know what, I think that this currency pair or this index or whatever is going to increase in value or decrease in value. So it sends out a buy or a sell. And guess what? The G.O.B.E. bot is 90% accurate. The G.O.B.E. bot is the best trade signal service I've ever used in my life, and I've been trading 4 years. And as you can see here, guys, here's an example of trades that come out. Like this is a gold trade right here. Okay. It's telling you to buy, and it's giving you parameters on the buy, right? It's giving you your stop loss and your take profit. So it's telling you what to do. Okay. It's telling you what to do on that buy. All right. And look, this is a Euro USD Japanese yen trade, telling you when to buy, telling you when to sell, right? So you're going to get all these trades. And G.O.B.E. bot sends out maybe about 3 trades a day. Okay. So you're going to have access to the G.O.B.E. bot whenever you become a member. Okay. Not only that, guys, you're getting access to this group. All right. This group, the run up the bag challenge is what we're calling it. All right. So in this group, we're going to be taking the same trades. We're going to analyze the market, make sure we're taking the 30 most accurate trades out of one entire month, closing out 2020. The 30 most accurate trades to compound $100 to $9,500. We're going to stay very disciplined. We're only going to use 10 pips at a time, and there's a training while we're doing this. We're only going to get 10 pips out the market, guys, which is very easy to do with our services. And anybody inside of G.O.B.E. Trade House knows that it's very easy to get 10 pips with our services, right? So with that being said, guys, let me go ahead and show you one more thing. You're also going to get access to the wave analyzer. Okay, so the wave analyzer, guys, this is also a smart indicator, and I'm actually in a buy right now on the weekend with Ripple coin. Okay, you see this thing gives you buy and sell signals. Okay, it tells you when to buy or sell, or to exit buy or to exit the sell. So this thing scans the market. There's a training that shows you how to use it, and it tells you when to buy or sell. Okay, and this thing is very accurate, guys. So you're going to get access to this as well. So if you learn how to trade, you don't necessarily have to wait on the professionals' trades. You could actually scan the market, and you could do this yourself. So we're going to do this as a group, guys. It is going to be very exciting to do this as a group. Okay, if you want to go on this path with us, if you want to take our trades, okay, if you want to have extra money for Christmas time with your family, all right, and also learn a skill, a freedom skill that you could take with you for the rest of your life, guys. And all you need is a smartphone, Wi-Fi, and skill and access to our trade community. You're always going to make money inside of this program, all right? So if you want to do this, guys, this is the public invite. Everybody's invited. Okay, to compound with us $100 to $9,500, closing out 2020, taking our trades, using our services. You're going to build great relationships in our group. We have a great culture. We practice what we call group economics, all right? So you're going to have a lot of fun doing this with us, guys. We're going to start Monday. We're going to start Monday, guys. So I hope, which is 2 days from now, all right? So if you want to get started, get back to the person that showed you this video and go on this process with us, guys. Go on this process with us. Compound your account, all right? And by the end of 2020, you do this right with us. You stay disciplined. You follow us. You could be sitting on $9,643, all right? And that's going to be amazing for you and your family, all right? Opening up 2021 with the bang. All right, peace and love, everybody. This is Kenny J. I hope to see you on the inside. Get back to the person that showed you this video. Let's run up the bag. Peace.
Thanks a lot, Kenny. I know you guys are very, very excited about the Run the Bag Challenge. I mean, who wouldn't want to take $100 and take it to $9,500 in less than a month, right? Well, the good news about G.O.B.E. Trade House is we already did this. We did it last month. We actually ended up taking 32 trades last month instead of 30 on the Run the Bag Up Challenge. And we went 29 for 32, including winning our last 22 trades in a row. You can ask any of our teammates for proof. That means a lot of our teammates got real close to $9,500 just by being disciplined, taking the trades, and letting the trades play out that are given out by our master analysis team. Now, I want to blow your mind. Now, what if you, next month, right, after you complete this challenge one time, what if you took $5,000 and left it in your Forex account and you decide to start over with another 30 trades, right? So here's your balance at the top in the green, $5,000, right? Do you know you can take that $5,000 to almost $500,000 in just 2 months? I mean, in just 1 month? Like, look at it. A pip is a pip for those of y'all that understand Forex. If somebody is giving you the trades and feeding you the trades, all you have to do is just take them and compound your account. We have the game plan right here. We're showing you exactly what you should be doing on each trade, right? Now, let's say you did it for a third month, 90 days, right? And let's just say out that $500,000, you left $250,000 in, right? And then you took 30 more trades, collecting 10 pips at a time, following our strategy. Do you know this turns into $22 million, y'all? Now, I had a webinar the other day, and I had to ask people, I said, if you had $20,000 in your bank account right now, Do you think you could leave your job and go do something else? Do you think that would buy you enough time to leave that job? And we was on a Zoom call, and I got so many money bags in my chat from people saying, if I had $20,000, I could leave my job right now. And maybe that's not you, but I know 22 million can. What if you just got 1% of this right? Well, what's 1% of 22 million? I don't know. But the fact that you know this is possible, and the fact that we're giving you the trades, the fact that we're walking you through this process is reason why you should join G.O.B.E. Trade House, because we're going to, as a group, become financially wealthy. There's going to be a lot of 6-figure, 7-figure traders in the G.O.B.E. Trade House community in the next 2 or 3 months just by following this strategy. Do you want to plug in, and do you want to be one of those people, right? What else do you get for $99? Let's talk about our webinars and our live calls. Let's talk about Coffee with G.O.B.E. We do these calls Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time. It's one of our most important calls throughout the week. You'll get your motivation, you'll get your inspiration, you'll get strategy. Of course, we trade as a community every night, which I'll get more in detail about that shortly. But we review the night before's trades. And to be honest with you guys, it's like a party almost, because usually when we trade the night before, we wake up to the next morning in money. Everybody's in profit. So you got a lot of happy G.O.B.E. members on this call. So you definitely want to be a part of the excitement, and you want to start taking these trades with us so you can make money. Also, we just got done talking about the Run the Bag Challenge. Well, in order for you to be prepared, every Sunday at 5:30 Central Time, myself, Jordan Rosario, Joe Threats, Adam Marshall, we do what we call the Run the Bag Up Challenge preparation meeting, where we literally prepare you for the upcoming trading week, and also to make sure you know exactly what you need to do so you can compound your account, so you can reach your financial goals and ultimately reach financial freedom using our Run the Bag Challenge. On Mondays and Fridays, myself and Jordan Rosario, we do what we call the New Members Orientation. The New Members Orientation, it is what it says. New members come in, we want to make sure they know how to launch their business properly so they can have success, right? So you want to get your new members, when you start bringing people into the business, or when you come in as a new member yourself, you want to make sure you be on this meeting. Also on Tuesday through Thursday and also Saturday, I do self-development and also team building meetings. Myself, I've been able to refer a lot of people online in different businesses over the years, and I use a lot of different strategies, and I literally teach these strategies step by step, but I also go over the self-development that I went through to get me to the point where I'm at today, and I like to teach. So you want to be on these calls at 5:30 Tuesday through Thursday and Saturday, and I'm going to not only get your paradigm in the right place on the self-development side, but I'm also going to show you strategies on how to not only market this business, but these strategies actually work for any business. Now, also, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we have what we call the Power Hour. Mr. Carlos Pun, Kitty Jordan, myself, we're usually the ones that's hosting that particular meeting. And basically, this is a live webinar that you can send potential people that are interested in a business where they can get the information live. We'll break down the compensation plan. We break down our products and services. And usually when people attend this webinar, they get so excited, they be ready to join right afterwards. Now, I actually left the best 2 things for last, because I've given you a lot of value if you paid attention to this video so far. But I haven't even told you the 2 biggest money makers, right? Like, well, I take that back. The Run the Bag Challenge is the biggest money maker. But this got to be second. Because what we do is live trade sessions 7 days a week. And we're actually about to add multiple live sessions throughout the day very soon. We do these calls every night at 11 p.m. Central Time, and on Friday and Saturday at 1 p.m. Central Time. You get on the call, we teach you, but when we see profitable trades, our master analysis team, they literally send you trades. Like, I don't know if you've ever been to school or a college, but imagine going to a college to learn, right? But instead of you being in debt, having to wait 4 years to hopefully get a job and then work that job for the next 40 years, you can actually attend this school for $99 a month and literally get on these calls every day, and you literally make money on the calls. You don't have to wait 4 years to start making. You can ask our teammates for proof. There's literally people on our calls making thousands of dollars in some cases on one call. I had a gentleman the other night. I'm not going to call his name, but I did have a gentleman the other night. He told me that he took one trade and he literally made $3,000 on that one trade because of a certain strategy that he's been implementing. So you definitely want to attend these calls, learn what we're doing, because at a time like this, where a lot of things are uncertain because of the pandemic and things like that, the vaccines, you want to be able to make money independently from home. You don't want to wait till stuff hit the fan and then start trying to figure it out. Right now is the perfect time. Get with the trade community, let us surround you, and let us show you how to make money. Now, I want to talk about the compensation plan. This is one of the most amazing compensation plans I've ever seen. I want to give you a disclaimer. This is not multi-level marketing in no shape or form. This is actually direct sales. The company is doing what we call a profit share. Instead of us doing traditional advertising, we'll rather pay you if you decide to refer people to our products or services by giving you a fair profit share with the company. You're not an employee. You're not an independent contractor. We're literally business partners when you join this business. With that, so this compensation plan is powerful. Don't sleep on it. Like, you want to get paid directly. You want to get a profit share. Like, profit share is what you want. That's the word. I want you to take the time to thank the person that invited you to this video. Because if it wasn't for that person, maybe you would not know about the Run the Bag Up Challenge. Maybe you wouldn't have access to our trade community where you could even receive these trades or receive the game plan where you can compound your account and ultimately achieve financial freedom. If it wasn't for the person that invited you, maybe you wouldn't know about the G.O.B.E. Auto Bot that's going to trade for you automatically, even for you people that got 2 or 3 jobs that don't really have time to attend the live calls and stuff like that. When you have an auto trader, this is going to print money for you automatically. So you want to thank that person for inviting you. You want to thank them because you probably wouldn't have knew about our live sessions or our master analysis team that has been literally undefeated in trades over the last 3.5 weeks. You would not be able to get access to that if it wasn't for the person that invited you. If you're a person that's into residual income, thank the person that invited you because you would not know about this amazing compensation plan. You would probably be in one of these multi-level marketing companies still working through the gaps. For those of y'all that's multi-level marketers, y'all know what I'm talking about when I say gaps. With that being said, I want you to be great. And just remember, you don't have to be great to get started, but you do have to be started to be great. Go be great. Make sure you get back to the person that referred you to this video. Thanks a lot. Please like this video.